Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing some happy mail that I received from Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. Her and I decided to do a swap for Valentine's Day, and this is the package that I received from her. I will definitely link her channel down below. She is a great friend. And Elizabeth, I'm so excited that we were able to swap again. The inside of the box she decorated with these cute bee stickers. They're so fun. And then look at all of this amazing shred. It's not only shred, but she included these tiny bows and these super fun pom-poms, as well as some candies. Beautiful way to display happy mail. Thank you, Elizabeth. Clear some of this away. Let's dive in. Here's the Valentine's Day card. Oh, that's so sweet. I know I'm gonna love everything, Elizabeth. Here's package number 1. She has it in a cellophane bag with this super cute clip. I think I'm gonna slide this box this way. We have a love sticker. We have some cellophane bags. And then we have a stack of journaling and ephemera pieces. I love all of these. Sorry, I'm sitting on the floor because my craft room is a mess. These cute paper pad cutouts. Super fun. I love these, Elizabeth. Thank you. I hear something crinkling. I'm just going to set that back there until I go through some of the papers. Okay, there we go. And some of these vintage style, some Project Life types, some note cards. These are all so pretty. Ooh, look at this bag. That's fun. That's like a vellum bag with little puppies. We have some heart stickers. This is going to be so fun to sort through and push into my stash. So thank you for all of these fun goodies, Elizabeth. I love everything. We have a set of alphas. Very nice. Thank you for all of those goodies. I can't wait to go through them all. And then in the back of there, we have some more ephemera pieces. And we have, it looks like some stickers. These are cute. Lots of fun goodies there. And then we have this sticker sheet. And then we have these awesome, super thick, I don't know, I think they're like acrylic hearts. These are so fun. Look at how thick those are. These are heavy duty. I love those. Thank you. This is a cute bag. I think she said she got this from Hobby Lobby. I haven't seen that. It's so fun. Let's see what's inside. Inside we have some Friends lip balm. We have a bath bomb. And looks like we have a couple of masks. A mud mask and a gingerbread cookie mask. Wow, thank you for those. Okay, then we have this beautiful tag flip. It's super chunky. We have a bunch of fun trims on the top. And let's do a flip through. I'll do my best here. We have one of these little heart headbands. This cute ice cream cone. Ooh, then we have some strawberry gum, my favorite. Love it. Oh, then we have this really pretty tassel. That's cool. This owl tag, these cool heart stickers. Lots of fun tags here. Probably take this apart and use these in my happy mail. Look at how cool those conversation hearts are. Yeah, I'll probably take this apart and use some of these in my ephemera and in my projects. Look at that cute gnome. These are so cute. Ooh, we have a sequin mix that's beautiful. Nice pink colors in there. And then she's also put on here some paper clips. Did you make these? These are very cool. That's a very pretty tag. Some of these are laminated. And then we have this tin envelope, and it's packed full of, it looks like some foam hearts, some tickets. Very fun. That's cute. So many goodies on here. And this looks like some kind of tag pocket. Inside is the sequin mix. Beautiful. And this guy. Oh, and then we have some heart trim. I love this. I've been looking for some heart trim at the dollar store and I couldn't find any. Very nice. Thank you for this amazing tag flip. That is one chunky tag flip there. We have one of these rainbow bags, and inside this is the 1 in a Million Ephemera pack. Really nice pieces. This has some really nice, it's almost like a slight vintagey feel. Love that. Oh, and she shared some of these bags, which I absolutely love packaging. Inside, it looks like we have washi from the same collection. That is awesome. I love to have stuff that is in sets because a lot of my Valentine's Day stuff is random. So that's awesome. Thank you for those. And then we have some cute heart ribbon. That's very pretty. Love that. We have a roll of ribbon. It says, oh, Happy Valentine's Day. Nice one right there. We have a wood-mounted stamp that says love. This is so nice with the hearts on the ends. I love this font. This is a great stamp. I love it. We have a cork pen, which is super fun. Okay, in here we have a piece of heart fabric, and there's something inside. This is a Valentine's Day scented car freshie. Honeysuckle. I can smell it from here without even opening it. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. And it smells like, oh, it smells so pretty. Very fun. I've never seen anything like this before. I wonder, did you get this local? That's very cool. Thank you for that. And the beautiful fabric. Here it looks like we have an altered camera, which is so cool. And she's made it into a shaker. And she has these beautiful flowers and this pearl trim. And this is like the flash. Very nice, Elizabeth. Thank you for this handmade project. It's beautiful. Thank you. I love the paper. Lots more fun goodies in the bottom, pom-poms and candies. And we have these rhinestone gems in the pink color. A little cute jar of those. Here's a pencil case. And let's see what's inside. Looks like a whole bunch of goodies. We have this stamp set right here. Very cool. These are some very cool travel post-it notes. I love traveling and I love post-it notes. Thank you for those. Have this bow bunny. This is a really cool stamp. We have this one, Wild and Free, Wander. This is a very pretty set. Love this, and I don't have this one. She also sent a stack of these journal cards. I wonder, are these Smashbook? I love all of these. They're so nice for journaling and tuck spots and list making. Thank you so much for those. I love them. And it looks like she's also shared this paper pad, which is beautiful. It matches the ephemera and the washi tape. It's called the 1 in a Million. This is from American Crafts. Let's see. Those are some really nice prints. I don't have this, and I'm so excited to be adding this into my Valentine's Day stash. And these are some really nice papers. I love that. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. We have this wood-mounted stamp, this cute heart one. Nice size. I love it. Thank you. I think in the rest of this box is more amazing candy and shred. It's beautifully packed. And then we have one more bag. Let's see inside. Looks like we have some camping stickers. These are awesome. I love stickers. I will be super happy to add those into my camping collection. Same with these. These are heavy duty chipboard ones. They're really thick. They're nice quality. I love these. Definitely going to have fun using those. And then we have some camping papers and cutouts. This is great. I love that. Looks like we have an alpha that kind of matches that camping. And then we also have some stickers. And I wonder if this is a set, because here we have, it must be, here we have this travel chipboard journal. And like a little suitcase. It has pages already on the inside. Let's do it this way. Some really nice vintage style papers, and it's all travel related. So this probably, maybe this is a set, because here's some more papers and it all matches. This must be a set for this travel book, because it all goes together. That's very cool. We have some more stickers that goes to that set, and then we have this tin. Let's see if there's something in here. A little set. We have some alphas. Look at how tiny this is. So cute. And some words. It must be some kind of like make your own album. That's very cool. So fun. Wow, Elizabeth, thank you so much for all of these amazing goodies. I love swapping with you. I hope you enjoyed everything that I sent your way. I loved everything that you sent to me. I will link Elizabeth's channel down below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.